gold standard when it comes to image editing and visual creation. If you're wanting to be a creative professional, graphic artist, web designer, videographer, then Photoshop is a must. Even if you're not a creative professional, knowing Photoshop is a valued skill that can be included in a resume or contribute to a place of employment. People will be impressed. Hi, I'm Mr. Haig, and I've been using Photoshop for nearly 25 years. I've taught students in school and professionals in the workforce, both in the classroom and online. No matter where you are in life, it'll be my honor to be your teacher and guide you on your creative journey. In this introductory course, we will learn the Photoshop interface, importing images, drawing, the tool sets, cropping, working with layers, masking, retouching images, and enhancing your photos. You'll become a pro. But first, let's see a few demos made by a student of mine.